Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone crashing issues. This will be a complete fix guide, so follow me step by step on how to fix them. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend is by going on your Steam right over here, click on library, right click on your game, click properties, go to installed files, and on verify this game's files are installed correctly, click on verify integrity of game files. What will this do is it's gonna fix any corrupted files or missing files on your game. So let's say that is Call of Duty Warzone, and that will do is most likely if you are crashing, there could be a lot of missing files or just a small missing file that might be causing the crash. So basically wait for it to finish. Once finished, you will see all files successfully validated. Once done, go ahead and close it out and relaunch your game. If it still crashes or any lag in particular or even any other issue for crashing, just go ahead and right click on your game once more, click on manage and browse local files. On the game executable file, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator, click apply, and then OK. Go ahead and launch your game and it should be properly fixed. But if the problem still persists, one last option is by going on your game on the same folder as well, basically manage folder and browse local files. Right click on it once more, properties, right over here, go ahead and click on disable full screen optimizations as well, click apply and then OK. Most likely the game will be fixed, but if you do have any other problem during that 3 steps that we did, the system and driver adjustment should be updating your GPU drivers, installing the newest and clean driver version for NVIDIA or AMD or any other GPU you have is most likely it's gonna fix. And also one close step is close any overlays, turning off background apps overlays like Discord or MSI Afterburner or Riva Turner or any other overlays that might be on. Just go ahead and off them up while you play the game and it should be fixed. And that's basically all for this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.